So, who will speak first? What was the question? Will anyone tell me?
Yes,
In
ma'am.
groups of four, discuss how nature is essential for both for the basic and the finer things of life.
Nature is essential for life. This was the question. Was it? Who is going to start? Achal, will you start? Ashish, will you start?
मैम आज ही मैम क्लास में एंट्री हुआ मैम, इतने दिन से फोन खराब था मेरा, तो हमको पता नहीं था।
Pragya has raised her hand. Pragya, you start.
Okay, ma'am. Nature is essential for both the basic and the finer things of life. As we all know, without nature, nothing is possible. From the beginning of life, each and every living thing is dependent on nature. From the
Continue. What happened, Pragya? Pragya, if you lost your connectivity.
मैम गलती से mute हो गया।
Pragya muted है. I have not.
मैम गलती से mute हो गया था।
Okay. Now start, Pragya. Start from the beginning then.
Okay, ma'am. Nature is essential for both the basic and the finer things of life. As we all know, without nature, nothing is possible. From the beginning of life, each and every living thing is dependent on nature, from the birth to death. Nature gives food, clothes, and shelter, which is essential for all living beings. Nature not only gives the basic things but also gives us finer things of life, as many people has desired that they have big house which have expensive doors, beds, furniture. They fulfill their desires by nature, as all things are produced by nature. Nature has enough for every beings not nature has enough importance for every being's need, not only greed. Thank you.
Ma'am, please check the waiting room.
Okay. 18 students are there in waiting room. Okay, I have admitted. Next. No one has raised hand. No one will try. Akritir, start.
Yes, ma'am. As we all know, that the human beings are always dependent on nature for the various things, like um, uh, trees. Trees enhances carbon dioxide and give us oxygen, and they also gives us fruits and food to eat, and it's very beautiful to see the nature when we when we are in stress or something or entangled in problems. It gives us food, water, medicine, materials for shelters, and even natural cycles such as climates and nutrients, etc.
Very good. Next.
Your voice is echoing.
Yeah. That time speaker. Now, actually, I have started with mobile also for attendance. Now it is not echoing. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Start. Shashank Tiwari.
Yes, ma'am.
First Shashank, then Shivangi.
Okay, ma'am. Nature is essential both for the basic and the finer thing of life. Nature will always be a part of our life. It's up to us to make the environment clean and safe for future generation. Imagine a world without nature, with without trees, clouds, seasons, snow, green grass, beautiful flowers, and everything what we have. Nature is very important of human have needed to survive and thrive was provided by the natural world around natural cycles such as climate and nutrients. Nature is also our soul superior. Nature is very important because if there was no nature, we wouldn't alive to live and breathe. Nature is also important because we have comfortable clothes, right? Some of you some of your own clothes are made up of animals. Some animals give us food. For example, cow give us milk and pig give us bacon. Plant also give us food like corn, pea, barley, and beans. Trees are most important of the stuff that we talked about because they give us oxygen to survive. There is a lot of things going on right now about nature preservation, green living, and fighting global warming. All things I myself am a great patrician of. But why exactly is it? It is that because it's pretty to look at or make us feel good. I think it goes even further than that. I haven't in this world with our own true nature. With our true nature, you don't have to be a meditator or a spiritual practitioner to experience this. Anyone can quite easily experience this in nature. Thank you.
Very good. Next, whom I say, Shivangi. Shivangi, are you ready?
No, ma'am.
You are not ready. Okay, Om, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Om, start.
Nature is an important part of human life. The relation between man and nature is friendly and integral and inseparable. Nature has been valuable favorite subjects for poets, writers, and painters since ancient times. Nature has given us valuable gifts such as water, air, land, trees, forests, etc. We should enjoy its beauty without disturbing the balance of nature. It should be our endeavor to keep its appearance beautiful and prevent its destruction, so that we can enjoy it easily. God is the creator of this beautiful nature of ours. We must maintain balance without tampering with its original form. It should be enjoyed by according divine power and invisibility. Nature is referred to be interaction between the physical world and the life within it, like animals, birds, trees, plants, and humans. It also includes non-living things like landscapes, water, and others. The surrounding we live in, the food we eat, the water we drink, and the air we breathe in are all part of nature. So we should have to respect the nature.
Very nice. Pushkar, will you try?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start.
Nature is the essential for both of the basic and the finer things of life because the nature gives us very beautiful things like water, air, land. So it creates a beautiful seasons and give the basic things of life. For example, houses, food, clothes, etc. So we have to keep the nature clean without any of the dust, ugliness, and smoke, all the sorts of the ugliness. We should keep it clean as always we do.
Very nice. And now no hand raises there. If anyone would try,
Mom, can I try?
prepare. You have
Yes, ma'am.
you have spoken. Na?
Ma'am, I want to speak more.
Want to speak more? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. You speak after that. We will start nature. Okay.
Everything in the earth is dependent on nature, such as human beings, animals, etc. There is a life cycle. Uh, there is a life cycle of nature, which provides us lives. Like
Any
ma'am,
problem is there?
actually, I had not learned properly. So.
Okay, leave it. So we will start next poem. Is it okay? Rest of the question, can you manage? Because they are very easy, filling the table and all. One is recollect memories from your visit. And after that it is a poem, and the name of the poem is Daffodils. Have you people heard name of William Wordsworth?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So William Wordsworth. Okay. Can you speak a few lines about William Wordsworth? Okay, leave it. Because we have already spent 17 minutes. So it is better we start the poem. Will anyone try to recite the poem?
Ma'am, Pavni.
Yes, ma'am.
Pavni,
Ma'am,
okay.
Pushkar.
First Pavni.
Shivangi.
First Pavni, then Shivangi, then Pushkar, then Om. Okay. Then Shashank Tiwari. I think I have given sequence to 5 students. Okay, start. Pavni.
But
One stanza. Poem is always in stanza.
I wandered lonely as a cloud that floats on high o'er valleys and hills. When all at once I saw a crowd, a host of golden daffodils beside the lake, beneath the trees, fluttering and dancing in the breeze.
Very good.
Continuous.
You want to read whole?
No, ma'am.
Okay, then one stanza, it's over. I wandered lonely as a cloud that floats on high over wells and hills when all at once.
मैम यहाँ ओवर को ऐसे ओ के बाद तो स्टॉफी देकर ई आर क्यों लिखा हुआ है?
कॉन्ट्रैक्शन, जैसे हम लोग कांट कैसे लिखते हैं, आई विल कैसे लिखते हैं, आई एम कैसे लिखते हैं, कॉन्ट्रैक्शन मार्क यूज करते हैं ना?
यस मैम, आई ऊपर
मैम
तो
कॉन्ट्रैक्शन लिखने का कोई रूल तो होगा ना मैम, ऐसे ही सब जगह तो नहीं कर देगा।
नहीं, कॉन्ट्रैक्शन हम लोग कहीं भी लिख सकते हैं। कॉन्ट्रैक्शन इज टू कॉन्ट्रैक्ट अ सेंटेंस। अब यहाँ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट अ वर्ड, बट यहाँ पे इट डज, बहुत सारे जगह इसका कोई मीनिंग वो नहीं होता है। अब देखो यहाँ पे एपोस्ट्रोफे तो यूज हुआ, बट छूटा क्या? ओनली ओ, सॉरी वी। तो ऐसा नहीं है कि कहीं एक पर्टिकुलर प्लेस है जहां पे हम लोग कॉन्ट्रैक्शन मार्क यूज करते हैं। ओके, कॉन्ट्रैक्शन पे जब हम लोग ग्रामर स्टार्ट करेंगे, वी कैन हैव वन पीरियड on that based on contraction mark. I think contraction mark you people might have read in standard of 5th.
Yes, ma'am.
यस
मैम
मैम।
पढ़े थे, लेकिन उस वक्त ऐसा कॉन्ट्रैक्शन मार्क यूज नहीं किया जाता था।
हाँ, उस समय
Ma'am, aren't
these type of contraction you people might have learned, है ना? I am के लिए यूज हो गया, I apostrophe M. In this way it was used. So this is just a pattern of writing. Okay, what we were doing? First stanza. I wandered lonely as a cloud that floats on high over wells and hills, when all at once I saw a crowd, a host of golden daffodils beside the lake, beneath the trees, fluttering and dancing in the breeze. Next, whom I said? Next paragraph.
Shivangi.
Sorry.
Shivangi.
Next stanza was for
Then
Shivangi.
Ma'am, Shivangi.
Okay, start.
Continuous as the stars that shine and twinkle on the Milky Way, they stretched in never-ending line along the margin of a bay. 10,000 saw I at a glance, tossing their heads in sprightly dance.
Good. Continuous as the stars that shine and twinkle on the Milky Way, they stretch in never-ending line along the margin of a bay. 10,000 saw I at a glance, tossing their heads in sprightly dance. Next, whom I
The
said?
waves beside
Tossing their head का मतलब
टॉस करना का मतलब क्या होता है?
उछालना
What is the meaning of toss? I am going to mute so many students and no, only two.
मैम उछालना.
Yes, tossing. जैसे toss, word toss is very easy. वहां भी हम लोग देखते हैं जब भी क्रिकेट मैच
टॉस होता है.
हाँ, तो टॉस होता है ना, तो टॉसिंग देयर हेड्स, तो अपने हेड को टॉस, वहां पे हम लोग टॉस देखते हैं. what we see tossing a coin, and here we are talking about tossing their heads. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Whose turn was to read?
Shashank.
Pushkar. Ma'am, Pushkar.
I have given a serial order, and it was for Pushkar or Shashank. I think it was for Pushkar.
मैम इसके बाद ओम का है.
के बाद ओम का टर्न.
पुष्कर के बाद ओम है.
मैम ओम
पुष्कर के बाद ओम है, ओम के बाद शशांक था. ओके, चलो.
मेरे पास शशांक था.
ओके, स्टार्ट. अभी जिसका टर्न है वो स्टार्ट करो.
The waves beside them danced, but they outdid the sparkling waves in glee. A poet could not but be gay. In such a jocund company, I gazed and gazed, but little thought what wealth the show to me had brought.
Very good. Next, the waves beside them danced, but they outdid the sparkling waves in glee. The poet couldn't but be gay. In such a jocund company, I gazed and gazed, but little thought what wealth the show to me had brought. Next,
outdid मतलब
I will explain the poem. First, let the reading get over, and then I will explain this also. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Because I am waiting, it is 10:24. I will explain. I will try to explain, finish this. I think before the vacation, this is our last class. Isn't it? Tomorrow we don't have any class, and after tomorrow vacation will be started. Next, because outdid. What is the meaning of did?
मैम करना.
मैम कर
Do, did, done, does, doing. मैम
So
करना.
what may the meaning of?
छुट्टी हो रहा है.
मतलब बाहर आना. मैम
Did you get?
result, outdid मतलब result.
So, did you get the meaning yourself? Okay, who will start?
ओम.
और चांस होते हैं.
मैम ओम को स्टार्ट करना था.
Yes. So, did you get the meaning outdid? To excel, to go beyond in performance, to surpass. This is the meaning of outdid. Actually, I wanted to explain with the line. Okay, now start.
For oft, when on my cough I lie, in vacant or in pensive mood, they flash upon that inward eyes, which is the bliss of solitude. And then my heart with pleasure fills and dances with the daffodil.
with daffodils. You are the last one to read, or someone else is there?
Shashank ma'am.
शशांक कोई बोली थी.
Okay, should I recite the last line for oft? When for oft, when on my couch I lie, in vacant or in pensive mood, they flash upon the inward eye, which is the bliss of solitude. And then my heart with pleasure fills and dances with the daffodils. So this is the last stanza and 2 students are left to read.
मैम आप पहले पोएम एक्सप्लेन कर दीजिए, उसके बाद रीडिंग के लिए छोड़ दीजिएगा.
Okay, first I would like to explain the poem. Here,
मैम solitude का क्या मीनिंग होता है?
Solitude.
Yes, ma'am.
Who will try? Solitude.
Solid attitude.
Anyone else?
Loneliness.
मैम एकांत को सॉलिट्यूड कहा जाता है.
Ma'am, the situation
by oneself, a state of being alone.
Being alone.
Yes.
Ma'am, the situation.
Privacy.
Yes. So I think most of the word you got the meaning. I wandered lonely as a cloud. Do you need to explain the line? Poet is wandering here and there, and he is feeling that he is wandering as a cloud. He is wandering lonely as a cloud. Which type of cloud? That floats on high over wells and hills. What is the meaning of wells? Valleys. Yeah. Yes. When all at once I saw a crowd. Suddenly he is walking alone. He is wandering alone. Suddenly he found a crowd. Which type of crowd?
A crowd of golden daffodils.
Crowd of flowers.
Yeah. Yes. Yes. Do we use crowd of flowers generally? What is known as if it is a group of flower, what will you call? हम लोग उसको क्या बोलते हैं? हाँ, bouquet, bunch of flowers. हाँ, and if it is if it is in here, if it is in means a shape, it is known as bouquet of flowers. So only if we say bouquet means it is of flower. But here, what he is telling, I saw a crowd of golden daffodils beside the lake, beneath the trees.
मैम अगर सिर्फ फ्लावर के ग्रुप के बारे में लिखना होगा तो वो तो बंच होना चाहिए ना.
हाँ, bunch of flowers ऐसे बोलते हैं हम लोग कलेक्टिव नाउन में. बट ही वांट, मतलब ये अपने फीलिंग को he is exaggerating
and to create the music effect in the poem.
Yes. So he is telling crowd. Beside the lake, beneath the trees, where he saw that crowd of daffodils. Beside the lake, beneath the trees.
Beside the lake, beneath the trees.
Fluttering and dancing in the breeze. What are the flowers doing?
Fluttering and dancing in the breeze.
What is the meaning of fluttering?
Waving or flapping quickly.
Waving means you might have experienced. हाँ, ये तो तुम लोग एक्सपीरियंस किए ही होगे ना कि जब कहीं भी तेज हवा चलती है तो किस तरीके से पेड़ के पत्ते हिलते हैं. So he wants to explain that feeling, and he is explaining the feeling in a very different way. Next stanza, continuous as the stars that shine and twinkle on the Milky Way. How he is means what he is using the word for flowers. He is not telling that they were a group of flowers. Here comparison has been done.
ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे आसमान में ढेर सारे तारे हो.
हाँ, वो तो अपने आप को बोल रहा है कि एक लोनली क्लाउड की तरह वो कर रहे थे, वंडर कर रहे थे, और अचानक से he saw a crowd of golden daffodils, and how was it looking? वो उसको कैसा experience? He was getting such experience that it was stars. All the flowers were stars, and they were shining. They were twinkling.
जैसे आसमान के तारों को गिन नहीं सकते, वैसे वो फूल भी इतने सारे थे कि उनको काउंट ना किया जा सके.
Next, did you get along the twinkle on the Milky Way? They stretch a never-ending line along the margin of a bay. Along the margin of a bay. Will anyone try?
Ma'am, please repeat.
Continuous as the stars that shine and twinkle on the Milky Way, they stretch in never-ending line along the margin of a way. Along the margin of a bay. What is the meaning of bay? Everyone must be knowing.
Part of a within a wide curve of the shore.
Yes. 10,000 I saw at a glance, tossing their heads in sprightly dance. Who will try? He has not counted, but he is feeling that it must be 10,000. Isn't it? And where they have made never-ending line. Where he has made the line? Okay, Kritir has raised a hand. Will Kritir try?
No, ma'am.
Voice is coming.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, I am not.
Okay, anyone will try?
मैम पूरा पैरा एक्सप्लेन करना है.
हाँ, पूरा stanza, not para.
Oh, sorry मैम, stanza.
So always, actually, paragraph, passage, they are in our tongue. So always we speak. हाँ, but it is, if it is about poem, it is stanza. हाँ, the whole stanza I have explained. Means most of the things I have spoken. No one will try. Just
इस पूरे स्टैंजा में जो पोएट विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ है, वो ये बताना चाहते थे कि जब उन्होंने डैफोडिल्स के पूरे ग्रुप को, बंच को देखा, तो देखकर ऐसा वो इतने सारे थे कि काउंट नहीं कर सके, और उनके नंबर्स के बारे में 3 अलग-अलग तरीकों से उन्होंने बताया कि पहला तरीका ये था कि वो इतने सारे थे, जैसे आसमान में तारों को काउंट नहीं कर सकते, तो उनको भी काउंट नहीं कर सकते थे.
Yes.
दूसरा ये था कि वो उनका जो लाइन था वो एंडिंग कहीं नहीं उनको दिख रहा, पोएट को कहीं पता नहीं चल रहा था कि उनका एंडिंग पॉइंट कहाँ है.
और वो लोग जैसे किस तरीके से सेटल्ड थे, जैसे मतलब बे के किनारे एक मार्जिन हो, और उसी तरीके से ये सारे एक लाइन से रो में लगे हुए थे, ग्रो किए हुए थे. अंडरस्टूड? हाँ, next chapter, next stanza. Can we switch over to next stanza? Or when breeze was coming, they were moving, and this movement of the flowers had been compared with tossing their head in sprightly dance. What is the meaning of sprightly? Lively,
Full of energy.
full of energy.
Full of energy.
Yes. Next. Anyone? Third stanza. What is there in third stanza? The waves, what is the third is the waves beside them danced, but they outdid the sparkling waves in glee. What is the meaning? Just a minute, a phone call is coming from school. Hello Ravi. अच्छा, चाबी आपको नहीं दिए थे। अच्छा, तो सुनिए ना, एक्चुअली हुआ क्या ना कि कल हम लोग वो नहीं कर पाए डिसाइड कि टेबल, जहाँ पे टेबल लगाएंगे ना, तो टेबल से सटे ही लगेगा बोर्ड। तो कल कर दीजिएगा, कोई दिक्कत है कल आपको? हाँ, क्योंकि वो टेबल हम लोग नहीं अरेंज कर पाए। इतना देर हो गया सारा सामान लाते लाते। कल ही कर दीजिएगा। ठीक ठीक। हाँ, बस बस बस। ठीक ठीक, चलिए, थैंक यू। We were doing third stanza. Will anyone try? The waves beside them dance, but they outdid the sparkling waves in glee. What is meaning of glee?
Happiness.
Yes.
I'm feeling of happiness.
Yeah, very good. So the waves in the wave were dancing and looking happy. They were looking gleeful in the atmosphere. They were looking happy in the atmosphere. But the flowers outshone the lively waves in their happiness. And flowers were adding. The area is very natural. If you are beside seesaw, you will, what type of feeling you will have? Will you have a natural feeling? What happened? I am not getting anyone's voice.
Yes, ma'am.
So here it is. How many time is left? Just 1 minute. Okay. So let me explain this paragraph at least. This is, sorry, what I spoke to. So here means the flowers are adding beauty to the natural beauty. Seashore, natural beauty, and flowers, daffodils flowers. They are happily dancing, adding something to the